In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to normal margin on your Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, I have this document. However, we have very little margin on both sides, left, right, bottom, and top. And this doesn't look good on my side, and I'd like to go ahead and revert to the normal margin. So for your case, maybe the margin might be too big. It's still the same. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on Layout. And then under Layout, you should see we have this option called Margin. Now, you can see we have quite a number of margins here. And you can see here the current style is narrow. This is the current margin that I'm on. However, we want to go ahead and revert to the normal size margin. To do this, just go ahead and choose normal. You can see we have the normal option here. Now, if I click on normal, you can see now we have the standard margin that is used on Microsoft Word document. And this will apply on all the pages that you have on your document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.